how to unblock an account in Pinterest. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, did you accidentally block someone and now want to unblock them? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Open up your Pinterest app, head over to your profile in the bottom right corner. Then tap on the three dots in the top right and go to your settings. Now, here you will need to go to social permissions and activity. Scroll down and under block list you can see blocked accounts. Just tap on it. And then here you'll see list of your blocked accounts. Now just tap on unblock and then confirm it. And that's it. The account will be unblocked. It's as simple as that. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.